Today we will learn how to properly prepare and set up Burp Suite for traffic interception. To begin, launch Burp Suite using your system's search bar, and once it is fully loaded, we will proceed to configure the necessary settings for interception. First, navigate to the Proxy tab within Burp Suite and select Proxy Listeners to ensure the listener is active and correctly configured. Verify that your proxy listener is set with the IP address 127.0.0.1 and port 8080, and most importantly, make sure that the running box is checked so that the connection remains active. Next, we need to export the CA certificate, so click on Import/Export CA Certificate, choose the DER format, and save the file to your desktop as CA_certificate. After clicking Next to successfully export and save the file, close that window and move over to your Firefox browser settings. In Firefox, go to Settings, scroll down to the very bottom and click on Network Settings. Here, you must select Manual Proxy Configuration and input the same settings, 127.0.0.1 for the HTTP proxy and 8080 for the port. It is crucial to ensure that the box labeled "Also use this proxy for HTTPS" is checked before you click OK to save. Moving to the final step, go to the Privacy and Security section in Firefox, scroll down to find the Certificates category, and click on View Certificates. Click Import to add the CA certificate file you previously saved on your desktop, enter your Kali Linux password when prompted, and be sure to check the box that says "Trust this CA to identify websites" before clicking OK. Now that the certificate is imported, return to Burp Suite and turn on Intercept. Once the intercept is active, any website you access in your browser will be caught by Burp Suite, confirming that it is successfully intercepting your traffic. We will cover more advanced steps in our next video, where we will explore how to use tools like Repeater and Intruder to identify website vulnerabilities even easier. See you in the next video.